Hello students, here I will discuss longest and shortest wavelength in spectral series. Actually ये क्वेश्चन जो है वो कई बार बोर्ड में आ चुका है, so you have to watch this video carefully. As there are 5 series: Lyman series, Balmer series, Paschen series, Brackett series and Fund series. When electron jumps from any level to first level, here you can see I am writing 1 and here 2. In Balmer series electron jumps in second level, and in Paschen series electron jumps in third level, and in fourth Brackett series electron jumps in fourth level, and in Fund series electron jumps in fifth level. So the formula of these series are almost same. If we want to calculate longest wavelength, then in place of this n we have to write the number next to this. जैसे मुझे लाइमन सीरीज में फाइंड करना है लॉन्गेस्ट वेवलेंथ, तो मैं n की जगह इससे जो अगला नंबर होगा 1 से अगला यानी कि 2 वो पुट करूँगा और सॉल्व कर दूँगा. सिमिलरली इफ़ वी वांट टू कैलकुलेट लॉन्गेस्ट वेवलेंथ इन बामर सीरीज, सो वी हैव टू पुट 3 in place of this n next to this one. Similarly, if we want to calculate longest wavelength in Fund series, then in place of this n we have to kept next to this one, that is 6. Similarly, if we want to calculate shortest wavelength or series limit, तो हमें n की जगह पर किसी भी सीरीज में इन्फिनिटी पुट करना पड़ेगा. Let's see that how can we solve the longest and shortest wavelength. So here as you can see, this is the formula of Lyman series. So I am calculating longest wavelength. It means in place of this n we have to put n equals to 2. So I am writing just 2. 1 upon 1 square is 1, here this one, and 1 upon 2 square is 1 upon 4. इसके बाद हम इन दोनों का LCM लेंगे, and LCM will be 4 1s are 4 minus 1 upon 4, that is this one. Again here you can see 1 upon lambda equals to 4 minus 1 3 and r as it is and upon 4. Now अब हमें लैम्डा की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करनी है. इट मीन्स वी हैव टू रेसिप्रोकेट द अपोज अदर साइड, मीन्स लैम्डा इक्वल्स टू 4 अपॉन 3r. नाउ आई एम पुटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ r, दिस 4 एज इट इज, 3 एज इट इज, इन प्लेस ऑफ r 1.09 into 10 to the power 7. When this 10 to the power 7 will go in numerator, then its power becomes negative. Here you can see, and multiplication of 3 and 1.09 is 3.27. When we divide 4 by 3.27, it gives 1.223 and into 10 to the power minus 7 as it is. In the next step you can see I am writing 1223 in place of 1.223. It means I had shifted this point by 3 places in the right, so power will decrease by 3 and the power becomes 10 to the power minus 10, and 10 to the power minus 10 is called angstrom. So the final answer is 1223 angstrom. Let's see the shortest wavelength and series limit. Here again 1 upon lambda equals to r 1 upon 1 square minus 1 upon n square. This is the formula of Lyman series. So to calculate shortest wavelength in place of this n in any series, I will put infinity. So 1 upon 1 is 1 and 1 upon infinity is 0. So 1 minus 0 becomes 1, and when we multiplied this 1 by r, it will become only r. So to calculate the value of lambda, we have to reciprocal the opposite side or other side. So lambda equals to 1 upon r, and just putting the value. On calculating, it gives 0.911 into 10 to the power minus 7, that is 911 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter, and 10 to the power minus 10 meter is called angstrom. So the final answer is 911 angstrom. So if we now try to calculate longest and shortest wavelength of Balmer series, and note down in your copy.